Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to learn how to create a digital product that you can later on sell on whatever marketplace you would like to sell this to. Whether it's Etsy or maybe Shopify, even Instagram and Facebook shop. Now, for those who don't know, digital products have a lot of variety. And for example, I'm on Etsy right now, and when I search for digital product, there is a tons of things that comes up. For example, we got this meal planner, we got this weight loss and fitness tracker, we got meal plan and groceries list, we even have home decor, and you can also sell chat GPT prompt. So there is a lot of things that you can make and you can later on sell, and you can create them just with your imagination. Now, one of the website that I really like to use when it comes to creating any digital products is Canva, because they have a lot of templates that you can alter and you can create everything for free if you're using their free account. But if you would like to elevate your game a little bit, you can use their pro account. So let's start by trying to take a look on what kind of digital product we will want to create. Let's say I would like to create a journal. All I have to do is just go to Canva and search for journal. And then Canva will give me a bunch of templates that I can play around with. Just make sure that it will not use the journal just as it is, because you wouldn't want it to sell something that isn't really yours. You can, however, start with the templates and then alter it to make it more original. So I stumbled upon this one right here. It looks really good. It looks like this is a goal tracker. And I'm going to start with this. I'm going to go ahead and click on customize a template. And one of the things that I really like about customizing things on Canva is I can just mix and match on the available templates. For example, this one's right here have just one page. And let's say that I want to alter this, obviously change it to 2024. And let's say that I would like to add some more pages to my journal. So this one is going to be the goals tracker. And let's take a look at other templates. Like this one's right here. It's a self-care journal. It comes with several pages. And let's say that I would like to add one of its pages into my current design. All I have to do is click on the page that I want, and it's going to automatically insert it into my journal. So now I'm going to try and find a bunch of templates and mix and match it, and then I'm going to try to redesign it so it looks more original. Alright, so I ended up combining 5 pages from 5 different templates. I got this goals tracker, got this affirmations page, and then we got this sort of self-discovery journal page. And then we got 28 days gratitude journal challenge, and then just some blank notes. Now, what I like to do is I'm going to try and alter every single page so that they all look like they are one union instead of just like 5 different page from 5 different places. The first thing that I would like to do is to change on the font of each page. I actually really like the font of this page right here. And if you click on the text box, you will be able to see what kind of font are they using. So they're currently using this font called Jua. And I'm going to try and change every single page to have the exact same font with the first one. Alright, now that I got all of that done, I'm going to try and make everything the exact one color palette. In order to do that, here is a hack that I really like to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find for a color palette on Google. Let's try to find for retro pastel color palette and see what we got. So we got a bunch of options. I'm going to try to find something that catches my eyes. Maybe this one's right here. I'm going to try to work with this one. So I'm going to download it, and then I'm going to go back into my design and bring that color palette into my design. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring that color palette into your design, right click on it and scroll down until you find this apply colors to design option, and you can do it multiple times until you find your desired color combo. Alright, that looks pretty cute. I'm going to try to bring this color combo into my next page. So do the exact same thing till you find that color combination. Alright, so this is how it looks so far. And next, what we're going to do is you're going to want to change some of the wording. For example, this 28-day gratitude journal right here has a pre-made gratitude quotes on it, and I wouldn't want to use the exact same one. So one of the way on which you can try to create some new quotes is by going to ChatGPT and then write a prompt such as create 28 quotes about gratitude, and there you got it. Or things like 28 things to be thankful challenge, and then you can copy these things into the text box. Maybe I'm going to change it into 28 days of gratitude. Alright, and if you take a look at one of the page that I have right here, it actually have a picture as its background, and you can obviously upload your own pictures into this page, or you can also take a look at the pictures that Canva have and you can use. You can just go to the element section, and then let's say you want to try to find for pictures of a sky. You can just write in sky and then go to photo, and you'll be able to find pictures of your skies right there. For example, you want to use this one, you can just simply drag it into your design, and there you have it. You'll get pictures like that. And then I also like to take a look at my design on this grid view option so that I will be able to rearrange and add some more page easier. For example, I will want this notes to have more than just one page. All I have to do is click on it, click on the triple dots, and duplicate the page. And to make things faster, I can also hold shift on my keyboard, click on this 2 notes page, click Ctrl C on my keyboard, and then Ctrl V to automatically add up more pages. And it should look something like this. Now, there is still one more page that is missing, which is the front cover of our journal. So I'm going to go back to the normal view right here, and I'm going to try to create a cover for my journal. I'm going to add page, and then I'm going to move it to the very first place, and I'm going to try to find for a pictures or maybe an element. I'm just going to try to find for, let's say, flower element, maybe paper flower. Alright, and let's say that I want to put this in the middle of a journal, and then I'm going to copy this, paste it up here, rename it into something like self-discovery journal. Then I'm going to try and find some frame. So go ahead and type in frame on the element sections. I'm going to take a look at the graphic and see what I can find. Alright, so that is the cover of my journal. Now once you're done with that, you can go ahead and download this, obviously as a PDF. I'm going to just choose PDF standard, and then let's say that I would want to sell these digital files on Etsy. All I have to do is go to the Etsy's listing, and then I'm going to want to make sure that the product type that I'm choosing is actually a digital file, and then make sure that the time of the listing is not made to order, and then I'm going to want to upload that files into Etsy. Just make sure that the digital file that you're creating is under 20 megabyte. But if your product is more than 20 megabytes, don't worry, you can also still sell that product and upload it to Etsy by creating another file. Let's say I want it to be in square. And then you're going to want to create a document with a button that links your customers into the specific design. Obviously, the link that you want to share is not the exact link right here, but you're going to want to create a template link. So go ahead and copy this template link, and let's say that you're going to want to use the same design with your cover. Paste it over here. Alright, and then add a text box that will work as a button, and maybe you can say click here to get your journal. Bring it all the way down, and then I'm going to make it smaller. And then you're going to want to link this specific text box into your template link. So all you have to do is go to link and share your template link. Now, once you download this as PDF, your customer will be able to get their product by clicking on the available link. So let's take a look whether it's working or not. And there you have it. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a digital file that you can later on sell. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.